Presenting the Resonate Router UPS that provides battery backup for your Wi-Fi router. It provides up to 4 hours of power backup for your Wi-Fi or ADSL router. It is compatible with all 12 volts less than or equal to 2 ampere powered Wi-Fi routers. The router UPS comes with intelligent electrical safety protection circuits with battery management systems. It is also CE and RoHS certified for security. The router UPS includes rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.